To set up Apple Pay on your iPhone, start by opening the Wallet app, which can be found on your home screen. If you do not see the Wallet app, you can swipe left on your home screen and type Wallet in the search bar to find it. Next, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to begin the process of adding a credit or debit card to Apple Pay. You will be prompted to choose the type of card you want to add, which includes credit cards, debit cards, and rewards cards. Select the type of card you want to add and take a photo of the card using your iPhone's camera. Or you can choose to enter the card details manually. If you choose to take a photo, the Wallet app will automatically detect the card number and expiration date. After adding your card information, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple Pay. Read through the terms carefully and tap Agree to continue. Your bank will then verify the information you have provided, which may involve receiving a verification code via text or email, or being asked to sign into your bank account. This step is necessary to ensure the security of your card information. Once your card has been verified, you will see a message confirming that your card has been added to Apple Pay. You can now use Apple Pay to make purchases in stores, in apps, and on the web. To use Apple Pay, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless reader, with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor, and you will see a confirmation of the payment on your screen. You can also use Apple Pay in apps and on the web by looking for the Apple Pay button at checkout. It is worth noting that Apple Pay is a secure way to make payments, as your actual card number is not stored on your iPhone or shared with merchants. Instead, a unique device account number is used to make payments, which adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. By following these steps, you can easily set up Apple Pay on your iPhone and start making convenient and secure payments.